Dude, I knew that changing out the fog lights was going to be a pretty big difference, but I didn't think it was going to look like this, dude. This thing looks like it's got 10 years of life shaved off it now. I'm loving this. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another video for you guys of the Chrysler 300 SRT8, my Facebook Marketplace find that I recently introduced on this channel to you guys. We recently got it back in my previous video from my mechanic, and he said that mechanically it's in very good shape. As you can see from the underside here, not much rust on this thing at all. Just 56,000 miles, so she's running pretty well right now. There's a couple more things we're gonna do, but as of right now, she's running pretty well. The problem is I got some cosmetic things that are driving me nuts that I really need to fix. First things first, I got this windshield wiper cowl. This thing is faded, it's cracked. We're gonna go ahead and swap it out with a brand new one here that I found on eBay. Get this thing kind of cleaned up, looking a little better. The second thing are these hideous fog lights. These things are fogged up, they're dull, the whole 9 yards. I believe the one's even cracked. It's just a mess. I'm hoping that if we swap these out with some brand new ones, as well as maybe throw in some LED bulbs, we can kind of really get this front end of this thing cleaning up quite nice. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So first things first, we have the windshield wiper cowl here. I already popped the caps off the wipers here and here. We got to take the whole wiper arm assembly off, and then we got to start taking out all these little push pins that you see here and kind of get this whole piece off. So let me go ahead and get right into it. Look at all that gunk, leaves and just stuff. Here's the old one, faded, messed up. We got to get the fresh one on now. As you can see, we're getting this. Al's helping me out. I'm filming a little bit here just so you guys can see what we got going on. We took the old one off. We vacuumed it up a little bit underneath there. Got some of those old leaves off. So like always, when you do any job messing with these push pins, especially on a 20-year-old car, you're gonna break some, which is exactly what we did. But here's kind of the finished product. So obviously we need a push pin there. Another one. How many we need total, Al? Two or three?
Like 2 or 3.
We also dropped one. The Hemi ate it. We dropped it in the engine bay. We can't find it. So, but yeah, this is the new cowl. Al, if you could just shut the hood so we can get the full effect here. I took everything out. We got the wipers back on, as well as that new cowl. So as you can see, tidied up to the car. It's not faded anymore. Some tape on here just to mark where these wipers were. Thanks. But yeah, small thing, small minor thing. Took a little bit, but we got it. And one more time. Boom. Out with the old, in with the new. Now next are these fog lights. Now they gotta go. All right, first things first, we got her up on the lift. What I did want to show you guys too, we did end up plugging these top 2 holes. This is from the plate frame. These are from that camera, so I ordered 2 more of these plugs. We're gonna plug that just to kind of clean up the front end a little bit. Here's the old fog lights. Boom, look at that. Look at how much nicer that is gonna look when we got them in. Let's do it. So look at that, the new fog lights. We actually, now they make my headlights look dirty. I told Al when he's done working on this high country, we gotta kind of juice up these headlights a little bit, but man, the new fog lights in there are totally night and day difference. I know it's hard to kind of pick it up on the camera. I'm going to shut them off so you guys could see. But I mean, look at them, just how clear they are now. Front bracket gone, cleaned up, no goofy camera on there anymore. Get these headlights done. And next is the window tint. So we're starting to make some progress on the good old SRT8. All right, we got the underside all tidied up. Those skid plates back on. Fog lights looking good. We're ready to roll. So that's actually going to wrap it up for this video for you guys today. Just wanted to show you guys us replacing that cowl as well as doing these fog lights. We are taking this thing immediately. I'm taking it off the lift and we're shooting down the street to go get window tint on this thing. So keep an eye out. Next video for you guys will be this thing completely murdered out, blacked out. And yeah, we'll go from there. As always, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Drop a comment. I try to read all the comments and respond to you guys. So drop a comment. Give it a thumbs up if you're liking the content. As always, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.